What if a forgotten piece of history could be brought back from the brink of extinction? Buried in the earth, a legend lies dormant, its story untold. Every layer of rust and grime holds a secret, a memory of the road. You are about to witness an astonishing transformation. One that defies decay and brings a mechanical soul back to life. The first step, a powerful baptism, washing away the years of neglect. Beneath the mud, a shape emerges, a ghost of its former self. The machine is revealed, scarred but not broken. Its journey has just begun. Now, the careful deconstruction begins. Every part holds a piece of the puzzle. A methodical disassembly, separating function from form. The heart of the machine, the engine, is patiently uninstalled. Each bolt and wire is removed, a promise of renewal for every single component. The entire bike is stripped down to its bare essence. A skeleton frame is all that remains of the once forgotten relic. The meticulous process continues, leaving no part untouched. Even the smallest pieces are cataloged for the restoration ahead. The handlebars, the machine's primary connection to its rider, are set aside. With the canvas cleared, the true artistry can begin. A deep analysis of the decay is required before rebirth is possible. The deconstruction is a delicate dance between force and precision. Every component is freed from its rusted prison. This is a search for the machine's original soul. Inspecting each part reveals the depth of the challenge ahead. The old and worn must be completely stripped away. The process is slow, demanding unwavering patience. Now, the purification by fire and friction. The grinder's wheel aggressively strips away decades of corrosion, revealing the clean, raw metal hidden beneath. Each part is meticulously prepared for its new identity. The frame itself is scoured clean, ready for a new beginning. No imperfection is allowed to remain. The bare metal shines, a testament to the effort. The foundation must be perfect before the rebuild can commence. With the past erased, it is time to paint the future. A coat of silver primer lays the groundwork for the transformation. Each piece receives a fresh, protective layer. The machine's new character begins to take shape. This is where mechanics and artistry converge. The front forks are bathed in a new, gleaming finish. And now, the engine casing itself is renewed. A pristine silver finish marks a stark contrast to its corroded past. Meanwhile, the wheels are painstakingly stripped of their own decay. The grinding process demands a steady, careful hand. Now, the defining colors are chosen. A brilliant, clean white. The fenders are transformed, looking. And for the spirit of the machine, a bold, fiery orange. The shock absorbers become a statement piece. The main body is cloaked in this vibrant new hue. A two-tone design emerges, blending silver and orange. The finer details are given a deep, glossy black finish. Even the smallest components receive the same level of care. The new handlebars, sleek and perfect. The exhaust system is reborn in a shimmering silver. With all the pieces restored, the grand reassembly begins. The frame, now a stunning red, awaits its components. Slowly, meticulously, a motorcycle takes shape once more. The brilliant white fender is married to the vibrant frame. Every screw and bolt is carefully tightened into place. The machine is rising from its own ashes. The suspension is installed, uniting the front and back of the new creation. The wheels, once rusted, are prepared for their new life on the road. The final body panels are secured, completing the look. The seat is carefully fitted, awaiting its rider. The handlebars are connected, giving the machine its direction. It stands as a beautiful sculpture, but it is still missing its heart. Now, attention turns to the engine, the most intricate phase of the restoration. It's taken apart, piece by delicate piece. A deep internal cleaning is the only way to ensure its future performance. Every gear and piston is inspected and restored. This is a mechanical revival at the most fundamental level. The casing is separated, revealing the engine's inner workings. Each component is meticulously cleaned with a fine brush. Years of oil and grime are patiently wiped away. The rebuild begins, starting with the core components. A puzzle of metal, reassembled with an expert's touch. The outer casing is polished to a mirror-like shine. The once filthy engine is now a work of mechanical art. A final polish ensures every surface gleams. The transformation of the engine parts is simply breathtaking. Now, the grinder works its magic on the larger engine block, removing the last remnants of its corroded past. Compressed air purges any hidden dust and debris. The internal pistons and rods are reinstalled with care. Precision is key to ensure the engine will run smoothly. Each part is gently tapped into its perfect position. The spark plug, the source of its fire, is carefully put in place. The engine casing is sealed, locking in the renewed power. Final components are added, completing the engine's restoration. A final inspection ensures everything is perfect. The engine receives a final coat of protective black paint. It sits pristine, a powerful heart ready for its body. The time has come to unite the engine with the frame. The The restored powerhouse is carefully guided into place. The heart of the machine is finally home. Final connections are made, bringing the systems to life. The last adjustments are performed with focused precision. A final check ensures every element is perfectly aligned. The once scattered parts now work in harmony. The build is nearly complete, a stunning sight to behold. Every detail reflects the dedication poured into this project. Connecting the spark of life to the engine. Final touches are made to the controls. The machine receives its first taste of fuel, a promise of the ride to come. The speedometer rests at 0, waiting for a new journey. From a muddy grave, a masterpiece is reborn. A forgotten legend, restored and ready to conquer the road once more. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel DT Restoration for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to add this narrative. If you enjoyed it, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.